Good morning. I'm Tina, and today I'm just going to give you a little look at my garden, how it's going so far. Birds are singing. It's a beautiful day. My roses are blooming. My honeysuckle's blooming over there. These are potatoes. It's the first time I've planted potatoes. I need to hill them up some more too. I put some more dirt on them. I bought a few seed potatoes this year and planted them. A lot of what I planted didn't come up. I think I've talked about that before, so I'm having to replant now. And the garden's been tilled since the first part of March, so there's a lot of weeds I got to deal with. But I've got, I just planted cucumbers yesterday. That's them with their little racks to grow up on, and that's beans with those. Peppers down the road there. Let's walk down and look at the peppers. I'm so proud. I always have trouble getting peppers started from seed, but this year oh, my thing fell over. Crumb. Oh, that's not going to work. That was going to be a bean tower, but it's not going to stay up, so we'll move it and do something else. These are ground cherries. I got the seed from the Physalis Improvement Project and started them, and so these are some of those plants from that. And then here's my little peppers. I've got lots of different kinds of them, hot ones and mild ones. You see, looky there, something's been eating on that one really bad. But the one next to it's fine. Yep, something's eating on these. I don't know what it is. A volunteer tomato. I keep putting little rocks around these tomatoes. If they do good, I'll stick a cage on them. But anyway, but there's and then these are peppers that I bought, plants that I bought. Now then, let's go over here. I'm going to put melons and and squash all in this area that's not planted yet. Deal with that grass. These my tomatoes, got them all in their cages. These ones on this side I bought plants, and they got a little bit overgrown before I got them in the ground. These on this side I raised from seed, and so they're all different varieties. These are all celebrities, and these are all the different varieties. These are tomatillas from the Physalis Improvement Project. Oh, those are peppers. These are tomatillas, excuse me. These right here are tomatillas. One of them's already missing. Something ate it. There's another plant missing. I guess it's snails or something is coming in and getting them. But most of them are hanging in there okay. Different sizes of growth. Some of these bigger ones, see, I've already got fruit on them, but they had fruit in their 4-inch pots. So I'm fixing to give them all a good water. They've been beaten just about to death by the wind. Boy, the wind's just been horrible, and so I'm just happy they've survived long enough to, you know, but see, there's another one that's dying off. This one fainted as soon as I put it in the ground, and it just never has done well. So I don't know what's going on with that one. I'll have to maybe try to grow another one. It's got water, although it's leaning over, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, there's my tomatoes over here. Some of my lettuce that I planted earlier did grow, as did. So here I've got. I've replanted some beets. Now, they say that, you know, the Texas ag people say beets are a winter project, but really, we don't. I've not been able to grow beets well, and the only time I did it was in the summer, and so I'm trying them again. My dad says they're a summer plant. I planted some more chard over here. But the lettuce is getting really good. I'll be able to pick this lettuce pretty soon. This romaine is looking great. All these different varieties. This was just a packet of mixed seed. Hardly any of my spinach came up. but some of it did. So we'll have a little spinach. I don't know what these are. This is either a hollyhocks or maybe, I don't know. It could just be a weed. We'll see. I'm gonna let them sit there. And then these are my mustard greens, so I'm real excited about those. Can't wait to have some wilted mustard greens. So I'm gonna get to work, and just wanted to give you guys a look at it. And now it's the end of the day. I worked for a couple of hours this morning, and then finished up this evening when I watered. I got a couple of rows pretty well cleaned out of grass, and I got my squash holes all dug and all planted. Got everything watered this evening. So it's a little tidier looking garden now than it was this morning. A lot of work, but I don't know. Let me show you guys just how rocky this soil is. It's clay, and look at all that rock. Most of this is flint. It's big old. There's big old nodules of flint all through here. But it's been gardened in for so long, for over 100 years. This spot has, so it's not. I'm not likely to find any arrowheads in here. But anyway, a few more days, and it should start looking. When these things start perking up, it should start looking a lot better. If the wind will die down, the wind's been just really terrible. It's also been very dry. We haven't had any rain in a while, so hopefully we'll get rain and the wind will die down. You guys have a great evening. I'll speak with you again soon.